Well, there's breaking news coming in at this hour. We're getting reports that the PM will virtually attend the ASEAN summit. Important information coming in as the Malaysian Prime Minister has said that PM Modi will skip the summit in Malaysia. Important to understand that while speaking about this, the Malaysian Prime Minister has also said that India is a key partner. So, of course, owing to this, the Modi-Trump Malaysia meet is in fact unlikely. Important to understand that we are getting reports that the Prime Minister will virtually attend the ASEAN summit. Important to understand that even the Malaysian Prime Minister has spoken on this and said that PM Modi will not attend the ASEAN summit. He has also reiterated that India is a key partner. Amid this, of course, there were early reports of PM Modi as well as the US President Donald Trump meeting in Malaysia, and now that PM Modi is not going to attend the ASEAN summit, he's going to do it virtually. The meeting is unlikely. Important information coming in about the ASEAN summit is PM Modi will attend the summit virtually. On this, we have my colleague Vishal Vivek joining us on the telecast. Now, Vishal, walk us through the details. We've been told that there's a statement that's come in from Malaysia. What exactly does the statement say?
So before Anwar Ibrahim, the Prime Minister of Malaysia, took to X to express his opinions about India-Malaysia ties, he went on to Facebook and said that he had received a call from PM Modi in which they discussed efforts to strengthen Malaysia-India bilateral relations to a more strategic and comprehensive level. In that post, he had not mentioned that whether PM Modi will be attending the ASEAN summit or not, but in the latest X post, he has clearly mentioned that this will be a virtual meet. That clarifies that he won't be attending the meet in person, as some of the reports has suggested earlier in the day. This is sort of a confirmation from the Malaysian side. We still haven't heard from the Ministry of External Affairs on this matter, because that will be the final word whether PM actually travels to the destination to Malaysia or not, because this was billed as the big meeting between PM Modi and Trump, which was supposed to happen on the sidelines of the ASEAN summit. A lot of topics of discussions could have been there, such as trade deal, which seems to be on the verge of being signed, as some of the reports indicate, but we have not heard any confirmation as to what will happen, because there's no confirmation on whether PM Modi will go to Malaysia or not. But Malaysia does say that he won't be attending, so it will have to be seen how ASEAN summit goes forward, because that would have been the biggest meeting during the summit, so we'll have to wait for confirmation on that.